Looking for quick, healthy office snacks that aid in weight loss? Well, we've got you covered. What are some of the best snack ideas that won't compromise your health goals during the workday? But before we jump into these tasty options, I'm curious, what's your go-to healthy office snack? Share your favorites in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to make those office munchies work for our wellness goals. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Greek yogurt parfait. First in our lineup of wholesome snacks is the Greek yogurt parfait. Begin with a cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt, a nutritional powerhouse that serves as the perfect canvas for a burst of flavor. Layer this creamy yogurt with a vibrant array of fresh berries. Think succulent blueberries, juicy strawberries, and tart raspberries. Not only does this parfait deliver a delightful taste experience, but it also boasts a substantial protein content, essential for satiety and maintaining energy levels throughout your busy workday. Additionally, the medley of berries contributes a generous dose of antioxidants, transforming this snack into a delicious and nutritious choice that fuels both your body and mind. Mixed nuts. When you're in need of a quick energy boost, reach for a handful of mixed nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios come together in this snack to provide a perfect balance of healthy fats and protein. These bite-sized powerhouses are not only incredibly convenient, but also serve as nutrient-packed allies in keeping your cravings in check. The combination of healthy fats and protein ensures a steady release of energy, making mixed nuts an ideal choice to sustain you throughout the afternoon. So, grab a handful and let this nutritious medley become your go-to snack for a satisfying and energy-filled break. Veggie sticks with hummus. For a timeless and winning snack, look no further than veggie sticks with hummus. Take crisp carrot and cucumber sticks, pairing them with a generous serving of creamy hummus. This classic combination not only satisfies your craving for a satisfying crunch, but also delivers a nutritional boost. The crisp vegetables provide fiber, while the hummus adds essential nutrients and a delectable flavor profile. Indulge in a snack that is as delicious as it is nourishing, providing you with the perfect balance to keep you fueled and focused during your day. Elevate your snack game with this classic yet ever so tasty treat. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs take the spotlight as a stellar source of protein, offering a convenient and time-saving solution for your busy work week. Easily prepared in advance, these grab-and-go wonders keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them an ideal snack to support your weight loss goals. Beyond their protein prowess, hard-boiled eggs deliver essential nutrients, ensuring you're fueled and ready to tackle your day. Consider enhancing the flavor with a pinch of salt and pepper, elevating this simple yet effective snack into a savory delight that's as tasty as it is nutritious. Fruit slices with nut butter. Indulge your sweet tooth while staying true to your weight loss objectives with fruit slices paired with nut butter. Whether it's the crispness of apple slices embraced by almond butter or the velvety combination of banana slices and peanut butter, this snack offers a delightful marriage of natural sugars and healthy fats. Not only does it provide a satisfyingly sweet treat, but the pairing also ensures a balance that aligns perfectly with your weight loss journey. Elevate your snack game by savoring a combination that feels like a delightful treat while contributing positively to your nutritional goals. Air Popped Popcorn. Craving something savory? Air Popped Popcorn is a whole grain option that's light, crunchy, and can be a guilt-free snack. Just be mindful of added toppings for optimal weight loss benefits. Try seasoning with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast or a dash of your favorite herbs for a flavorful twist. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Indulge in the delightful combination of cottage cheese with pineapple, a snack that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also packs a nutritional punch. Rich in protein, this duo offers a perfect balance of creamy texture and tropical sweetness, making it an ideal choice for satisfying mid-afternoon cravings. The creaminess of the cottage cheese seamlessly complements the juicy sweetness of pineapple, creating a harmonious snack that's both delicious and fulfilling. Whether you're looking for a post-workout pick-me-up or a tasty treat to curb your sweet tooth, cottage cheese with pineapple is a go-to option that hits all the right notes. Cherry tomatoes with mozzarella. Elevate your snack game with a mini caprese-inspired treat by pairing cherry tomatoes with mini mozzarella balls. This flavorful combination not only satisfies your taste buds, but also provides a portion-controlled, guilt-free option that's both satisfying and refreshing. The juicy burst of cherry tomatoes harmonizes with the creamy texture of mozzarella, creating a delightful snack that's as visually appealing as it is tasty. Packed with flavor and nutrients, this mini caprese snack is perfect for those moments when you crave a savory and wholesome indulgence. Keep it on your snack repertoire for a satisfying bite that's sure to keep you coming back for more. There you have it, a lineup of quick and healthy office snacks that can support your weight loss journey. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and choosing nutrient-dense snacks are key components of any successful wellness plan. If you enjoyed this video and found these snack ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious and nutritious content, and share it with your fellow office warriors. Until next time, stay healthy, happy, and snack smart.